You've struck gold and silver with this new gold and silver ribbon set. Aren't they gorgeous? Just beautiful. And you can see that there are a variety of finishes. So both in gold and silver, we have the velvet glitter ribbon. And what's wonderful about this is that it does not rub off. See? There's none on my finger, so it works really, really nicely. Now we also have some beautiful satin ribbon. It's double-sided, and we have that both in gold and in silver, just really gorgeous. Now let me finish. We have the organdy, or the crepe, and then we also have the metallic ribbon, and that's just really nice. Also has a luster. And what else do we have? Okay, then there's another satin ribbon. So 2 shades of gold, I think you can see right there. Hopefully you can. Now, usually we have 36 inches, but because we could only find 7 different gold and silver, we added this and made them larger, so they each have 54 inches. So you're getting just a wonderful treasure trove of gold and silver. I think they're going to add a wonderful pop to all of your card making, your scrapbook pages, and any paper crafting that you're doing. And of course, this is exclusively available at paperwishes.com.